Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to the Physics, the branch of science in which we study about matter, properties of the matter and their interaction with the energy is called physics, or the branch of science in which we study about physical quantity which can be measurable is called physics. What is a matter? The thing which occupies space and having a weight is called matter. हर वो चीज़ जो जगह घेरती है और वज़न रखती है मैटर कहलाती है. एनर्जी, what is the energy? The ability of a body to do a work is called energy. Measurement can be done in two ways. Number one, size or magnitude. Number two, direction. There are 8 directions: north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. There are two physical quantities. Number one, vector physical quantity. Number two, scalar physical quantity. Number one, any physical quantity which have both magnitude and direction is called vector physical quantity. Let's suppose a person who is going to from left to right in a particular direction covering a 1 kilometer distance, that is in vector physical quantity denoted by S. And the second one, any physical quantity which have only magnitude but no direction is called scalar physical quantity. For example, a person who is going to with zigzag movement not to a particular direction is in scalar physical quantity. For example, vector physical quantity, force, displacement, etc., and scalar physical quantity, distance, work and heat, etc. Physical quantities can be classified in two ways. Number one, primary physical quantity. Number two, secondary physical quantity. Primary physical quantity can be classified independent or based. Primary physical quantities having 7 types. Number one, mass, length, time, electric current, luminous intensity, quantity of substance, temperature. Secondary physical quantity can be classified derived or dependent physical quantity. For example, remaining all like speed, distance, acceleration, etc. are called secondary physical quantity. All physical quantities are measured in 3 systems: MKS, CGS, SI. MKS means meter kilogram second, CGS means centimeter gram second, SI system international or standard international. For example, kilogram meter per second square is equal to Newton. Newton is in SI system and kilogram meter per second square meter kilogram in second. Now we are going to explain the branches of the physics. Number 1, mechanics. साइंस की वो ब्रांच जिसमें हम मोशन किसी रेफरेंस के साथ या किसी रेफरेंस के बगैर स्टडी करते हैं, मैकेनिक्स कहलाती है. द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इन विच वी स्टडी अबाउट द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट विद और विदाउट एनी रेफरेंस ऑफ फोर्स इज कॉल्ड मैकेनिक्स. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, phenomena of electrical charge and their effect, whether electrons are at rest or in motion, is called electricity. Electromagnetism, साइंस की वो ब्रांच जिसमें ऑब्जर्वेशन, प्रिंसिपल, लॉज और मेथड्स की डील्स को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और मैग्नेटिज्म के साथ स्टडी किया जाता है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म कहलाती है. द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इन विच वी स्टडी प्रिंसिपल, ऑब्जर्वेशन, लॉज एंड मेथड्स दैट डील्स विद द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड मैग्नेटिज्म इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म. सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स, साइंस की वो ब्रांच जिसमें स्ट्रक्चर और प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सॉलिड मटेरियल को स्टडी किया जाता है, सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स कहलाती है. द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इन विच वी स्टडी स्ट्रक्चर एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सॉलिड मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स. एटॉमिक फिजिक्स, the branch of science in which we study about structure and properties of an atom determined by the electron outside the nucleus is called atomic physics. Nuclear physics, the branch of science in which we study structure, properties and reaction of the nuclei of an atom is called nuclear physics. प्लाज्मा फिजिक्स, साइंस की वो ब्रांच जिसमें हाईली आयोनाइज्ड न्यूक्लियाई को हाईली आयोनाइज्ड एटम को स्टडी किया जाता है, प्लाज्मा फिजिक्स कहलाती है. द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इन विच वी स्टडी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हाईली आयोनाइज्ड एटम फॉर्मिंग अ बार न्यूक्लियाई इज कॉल्ड plasma physics.